Hello students and welcome to my channel Quick English by Neil Sir. This is a video on English passage for reading and pronunciation practice. A passage on Ganesh Chaturthi. In this tutorial you will learn how to read sentences, how to pronounce words, and it is useful for competitive exams. Listen carefully and practice reading. Let's begin. Ganesh Chaturthi is a yearly festival celebrated in India between the month of August and September. Also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, it is one of the most celebrated festivals in India. This festival marks the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It signifies the importance of Lord Ganesha's arrival with his mother goddess Parvati to the human kingdom from the Kailash mountain. The celebration starts on the day of Chaturthi, when people bring home clay idols of their devotee Lord Ganesha. These idols and statues come in various sizes and colors. The bigger idols are mostly placed in special sheds where people can pay their visit. The festival is for 11 days, where Ganesha Aartis are conducted in the mornings as well as evenings in homes, offices and temples. A special offering called modaks are distributed during the festival, which is known to be the favorite sweet of Lord Ganesha. People spend time decorating their homes, buying new clothes and lighting diyas. It is known that some people even fast during all the days of the festival. Once 11 days of the festival is completed, it's time now for the idol to be immersed into water. This takes place at the nearest rivers, lakes or sea. This submersion means that Lord Ganesha is now united with his parents Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. It is known as the Visarjan. Even though this tradition has passed down from generation to generation, people started realizing the impact it has on the environment. The Visarjan is known to pollute water sources like lakes, rivers and seas. Hence, nowadays, keeping that in mind, we do have more eco-friendly idols. This festival is widely celebrated in different parts of India. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this passage on Ganesh Chaturthi. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Till then, keep learning.